There are many ways to earn money online. Here are some options. Freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management, you can offer your services on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Online tutoring. You can tutor students online in subjects like math, science, or language. Websites like Chegg, TutorMe, and VIPKid offer opportunities for online tutoring. Online surveys. You can earn money by taking online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars pay users to take surveys. Sell products online. You can sell products on websites like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. You can also start your own online store using platforms like Shopify. Affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting other people's products on your website or social media channels. Write and publish ebooks. You can write and publish ebooks on platforms like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing and earn money from the sales. Create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses on websites like Udemy or Skillshare. Remember that earning money online requires effort and dedication, and success may not come overnight. Choose an option that aligns with your skills and interests and start building your online presence.